to be honest, us batting first in the first game, thought we did exceptionally well to get to 170, and we finished the inning strong in that last over. You know, and it was a I would say a ploy of ours to put them under pressure, you know, in game 2, knowing that we 1-0 up in the series. And I thought we started well. You know, if we held on to those catches, it's probably a 30-for-3 power play. You know, and that's how quickly the game changes. So it's important for us to identify the areas where, you know, where we went wrong. And we know in the field that's what cost us. So just to sum it up, I think if we had held on to those chances, it's a totally different ballgame early on in the innings.
Yeah, just
spot on. I think you know when you are chasing 186, you know you've got to probably have a good start. And I thought obviously Brian Bennett started off the inning superbly well, showed really good intent. And I think you have to show good intent, you know, when you're chasing, you know, that type of score. But you've also got to understand how to pace the innings so that you can actually take the innings deep and set it up for yourself to be able to finish it strong, as Bangladesh did in that last over. So if you kept yourself in the hunt, you know, throughout the innings, I think you always would have had a chance. Just felt that we probably lost too many wickets at crucial stages throughout the innings, and it just never really we were able to put together those partnerships that we were looking for. You know, and more often than not, when you try and get a 60, 70, maybe an 80-run partnership, when you're chasing a score like that, you probably put yourself in a really good position to be able to finish the innings strong if you have wickets in hand.